Hello and welcome. You're watching Mirror Now. I'm Archana Solanki. A very good morning to all the viewers. We start this bulletin with some breaking input. Sources say Pfizer India has sought emergency use authorization from the Drugs and Controller General of India for its COVID-19 vaccine in the country. That's the latest information as far as India's race for vaccine is concerned. It's a big breakthroughs of the sort. Sources say that Pfizer India has sought emergency authorization from the Drugs Controller General of India. More on this development, I'm joined by Ayushman. Ayushman, good morning. Thank you for joining us on the broadcast. Sources say that Pfizer India has sought emergency authorization. What's the road ahead? What's the latest?
Yes, in fact, it has been confirmed to us by the sources in the health ministry that the government has received a proposal from Pfizer where it has been said that they want an emergency use authorization in India. Now, it would be important to see whether the government grants that or not, because the initial trials, phase 1, phase 2 and phase 3 trials haven't yet been started in India for the Pfizer. And in case of the Pfizer vaccine, India has clearly said that minus 70 degrees, something that India and developing countries is not very much feasible, and that is why it is important to see whether the DCGI and the CDSCO will be providing the emergency use authorization. However, the government has always maintained that they have been there in talks with every vaccine manufacturer regarding the development, and this development comes yesterday, after yesterday, when the Pfizer company said that yes, they have applied for an emergency use authorization in India. It has already been granted a permission in the United Kingdom, and it would be important to see if it is also being given the permission for the emergency use authorization in India. The ministry and the health authorities are currently contemplating over the next move.
All right. Thank you, Ayushman, for bringing us up to speed with that development. So the latest is that Pfizer India has sought nod from the Drugs Controller General of India for emergency use of its COVID vaccine.